You want to know the single best way to make money online and keep making money online? The secret to making money online is all about creating your own products. Now, before you start going, Eric, I don't want to do that. Too much trouble, too much work. I just want a few quick bucks. I get it. It's a lot of work. Used to be a lot of work anyway. That was until my friend Barb came up with her brand new course, Digital Product Creation Secrets. She's going to share with you everything you need to know to be able to make it super simple to do. I'm going to tell you all about it right now. Okay, we're looking right now at the sales page for Digital Product Creation Secrets. All right, now, basically, this is the cheat sheet for somebody who can create products super quickly and very simply. All right, doesn't involve using AI because AI-based products don't always come out as well as you would like them to come out. But instead, she's going to share with you the secret to actually being able to make real money by making these things very quickly and pumping them out and making money off of them. It is so simple to do once you know the secrets that are involved in doing it. Now, I am going to show you the members area in just a second, but before I do, of course, this is, after all, a Man in the Hat review.
Concierge of crime? Man in the Hat?
Yes. Okay, thank you very much. You destroyed Elizabeth Keene's life. You destroyed so many other lives. Go back to running your criminal empire, being the concierge of crime. Okay, but seriously, Manhattan Review, you are never going to be left just picking up the one product. You are actually going to be getting a whole bunch of brand new bonuses from me, and this one is no exception. I really have a ton of wonderful bonuses for you. These are all brand new. I've actually got 4 different brand new courses on new AI systems that I found that I think you are absolutely going to love. I'm going to tell you all about it right now. Okay, so let's start with one that I found that actually can create custom-made fonts. I have an image of a font that I created with the system on my website. If you check it out, look at this video on my website, you'll see an image that of the font that I created. The prompt that I put in, a space-based Star Trek themed font. You can see it looks really cool. A couple of them have planets, a couple of them have the Enterprise. Okay, very cool stuff, and completely totally done for you. And you actually can download this as an actual font that you can go and upload into any software you want, really. Anything you want to use it for works perfectly every single time. You can use this to create brand new fonts, and you can actually sell font packs, by the way. Font packs, very big. You can actually create 100 different font packs for this thing because it's all free. There is no charge for it whatsoever. You can create 100, 200 different font packs with it and simply package them up and sell them for a profit. It is one of the easiest ways to make money online. And I'm simply telling you about this. I'm going to give you my course on how to do it completely for free. Nobody else has this one. But I'm still not done yet because, after all, you're going to say to me, Eric, you know what? That sounds really good, but it's only one bonus, and that's kind of crappy.
A piece of crap.
A piece of crap.
Well, yeah, I know it sounds like crap, but you know what? That's because I only told them about one, but I've got more than one. I've got a whole bunch of them to share them. So yeah, whatever. Anyway, okay, but seriously, check it out. I got more than one bonus. I've got another really cool bonus that I found for you. Again, if you check it out on my website, I've got a screenshot that I took. One of the big things that a lot of people like to do is to remove backgrounds from images. Now, there are a lot of AI systems that are able to do this for you, and some of them are free, some of them cost money, but each one works a little bit differently, especially when you have like hair in the background, a woman with like long flowing hair, and if there's like slow strands, a lot of these engines have a lot of trouble with that. What if you could actually use multiple engines where you can actually have the system automatically cycle through a whole bunch of different systems to see which one is going to give you the best possible background removal. And then simply choose that one and click download. And by the way, this is free too. Yes, it is absolutely free. If you want to be an entrepreneur, I highly encourage you to go ahead and try to find as many things that are free or at least somewhat useful with the free version. This one is completely free. As far as I can tell, you can't even pay for it if you wanted to. Really cool stuff.
Billionaire entrepreneur.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Barry. Not quite a billionaire entrepreneur, but I'm getting there. Definitely working on it. Thank you for the vote of confidence, though. Anyway, so that's number 2. But I'm still not done yet. I've got 2 more to show you about. Again, these are all brand new. I have never shared any of these with anybody. These are super cool stuff. I've got a third AI that I love this one so much. This is probably my personal favorite of all of these things because I love to read. And I never have enough time to read enough books. But there are so many wonderful books. I found a new AI system that you can actually go ahead and pick out any of these books that you want to read, and it'll give you a summary that you can either read or listen to. And get this, all the summaries on the front page are free. You can listen to them and read them for free. They do have a paid option available if you want access to tens of thousands of other books. They actually have, according to the website, 73,530 books. But like some of the examples that I'm looking at right now on the page, Atomic Habits, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, The Power of Habit, Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, The 4-Hour Work Week, Steve Jobs. I love that book, by the way, Steve Jobs. Great book. Really, really inspiring. Elon Musk, 0 to 1, Digital Minimalism, The Everything Shop, Jeff Bezos and the Age of Amazon. Okay, these are just some of the books that they have here, and they are designed for you to be able to read them in 7 minutes flat. I kid you not. Okay, I just sat down to actually read through The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, which is a 300-page book. 507 pages, excuse me. Okay, I read it a long time ago, but it's been a while. If you don't have time to read a 537-page book, this is the website that you need to have because this thing is awesome. You can actually listen to the whole summary telling you all the key details of it in 7 minutes flat. 7 minutes, that's all it takes. And these are so useful. This is really, really incredibly valuable stuff. Again, I'm looking at it right now, and it's giving you all this stuff for free on their front page. Totally free. Yes, totally free. Okay, so how about one more bonus for you, just because I'm a nice guy. So one more bonus for you. Now, this one is not totally free, but if you have a small website, it will be free. What do I mean by that? So this one actually is going to scan your website for grammar and spelling errors. Now, if you have a smaller website, okay, it'll give you up to 4 pages for free, where it's actually going to go ahead and scan your website and tell you about issues that it finds, so you can actually make sure that your spelling is correct, your grammar is correct, all that kind of good stuff. It goes through the entire website, scans everything, and tells you all about it. And again, you can do up to 4 pages completely for free. And if you do want to have it constantly scanning your website, they actually offer you a service for $6 a month, which is not a lot of money, where it'll scan up to 100 pages of your website and make sure it's constantly detecting issues, letting you know about it, so you can fix it and you look like a professional. Really, really cool stuff. I was really impressed with this thing, and it works so incredibly fast. Again, in my custom bonus, you have 4 courses. I'm going to tell you about these 4 different AIs, how to use them, the tips and tricks, everything you need to know in order to be able to make use of them as effectively as you possibly can. Really valuable stuff. Of course, after all, it would make sense that I would give you something valuable because I'm asking you to buy something very valuable. But here's the real kicker. You get them even if you purchase the personal use version of Digital Product Creation Secrets. Now, this thing comes with 2 different versions. Okay, I'm going to show you the pricing of it, and you're going to laugh when you see what the pricing is like. Okay, so you have the option to purchase the basic version, which is only personal use rights for the princely sum of $4.64. Now, this is a dime sale, so the price will go up after every purchase. As I'm recording this, $4.64 in order to be able to get this. Okay, $4.64. But if you want to purchase the PLR version, we can actually use this as your own product to give away, sell, use as a bonus. And by the way, all of my courses do come with full PLR rights. Of course, whether you pick up the personal version or the PLR version, $13.53, still a great bargain. Again, this is a dime sale, so the price will go up after each sale, so do get in early. Okay, let me show you the members area real quick here. You can see it is a downloaded PDF. You can read through it in just a few minutes. It's got a lot of very, very valuable stuff. You can see here, of course, she is going to tell you about how to use ChatGPT, but you're not going to use it the way you usually would use it, because you're not going to just tell it and then put some junk out there. She's going to tell you how to use it so you can create quality, because quality is going to matter. Okay, there's been enough out there that was created by ChatGPT that nobody ever looked at. They just ran it through and it ended up being junk, and people don't want that anymore. They want quality. This is going to give you quality. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the Park
For the giant hat, sir.
Yep. Okay, seriously. Great stuff. Love it. Grab this. This is good. You're going to love it.